everyone, how are you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today we are unbagging the Pin Culture November medium bobby pin and hair tie subscription. So it comes in this cute mailer bag, always fun to receive. They always have the cutest bags, I swear. There was a month where we got like elephants on their bags, but yeah, love it. So today we're going to talk a little bit about what Pin Culture is and get unbagging and see what's inside. So Pin Culture is a hair accessory subscription and they offer like 10 options. So many different ones. I've opened many of them on my channel before. So they're all affordable and you can find the one that fits you best. I think they're super convenient because I don't know about you, but I'm always misplacing hair ties and stuff like that. I swear my cats probably steal them, but who knows what happens to them. So yeah, it's super convenient, again, affordable. I also have a promo code as well that will work for all of their subscription plans. But again, today we're opening up the medium bobby pin and hair tie subscription. So what comes in this subscription specifically, you get 15 crease-free hair ties and you get to select the color of them so they match your hair color. So I get the blonde ones obviously, and then you get 20 bobby pins, you get one special surprise item, and then you get a little case that holds all of your hair ties and bobby pins that you could just like throw in your bag or just store them that way, which is super convenient. So yeah. The box costs, this one specifically, the prices range based on the subscription plan, but the one we're opening today, this costs $10 and you get at least a $15 value each month, but the value of this one is $17. So I do have a code that'll save you 20% off, and the first 10 people that use the code will get a free gift as well. The gift will be a ribbon tie. I just lost an earring. Sorry, that was weird. But the gift is like a ribbon tie for your hair, and it's blue and has a bead on it. So it's the ribbon tie with a blue bead valued at $7. So the first 10 people to use that code not only save 20%, but they also get a free gift. And then anyone else after that, after the 10th subscription, just gets the 20% off, but that is awesome. And yeah, I think that's enough information. Again, I'm gonna leave their website down below and the promo code so you can browse their subscription plans they offer. But yeah, let's get started and see what's inside. So everything is wrapped up nicely in some tissue paper and washi tape. So there is a little card here. It says, "Thank you so much for subscribing to the medium bobby pins and hair ties box. I hope you enjoy your monthly supply of pins and ties, as well as this month's surprise item, the yellow and gold set, which has a retail value of $10. Your total box value this month is $17. Can't wait to put together next month's box for you. Love, Christina at Pin Culture Box." So here is the container I was talking about that has the hair ties and the bobby pins. So the bobby pins, I failed to mention, also match your hair color. So I have 15 of those crease-free hair ties, which I love. And I love that they match my hair color too, so they don't stand out too much if I don't want that type of look going on. And then I have the bobby pins, 20 of them in here as well. And it says Pin Culture on it, super convenient. And then the surprise gift that comes with it is a pretty bobby pin set. I like these. I especially like the one down here. So these are just like little barrettes or bobby pins, what would you call it? And that's what they look like on the back. So that's super cute. I like how each piece of this is like a little different. You see? I like the mustard yellow too. Super pretty. But yeah, I think I like this one the best just because it's a little like less out there. It's very discreet. You can wear that to work and stuff. You can wear both to work, but super cute. And then here's an example of what the free gift will look like. So the first 10 people that use my code, this is the ribbon tie. I believe you will get the one in the blue bead. Yeah, this bead looks blue, right? This is super cute. And that's what it looks like on the back. I actually prefer ribbon ties, so that's awesome. I think this is super cute. And yeah, this is a value of $7. That bead probably jacks the price up a little bit. See how pretty that is? But yeah, so in the Pin Culture bobby pins and hair tie, the medium box, you get your essentials. So you get the hair ties and the bobby pins, and you get 15 hair ties, 20 bobby pins in your color of choice or your hair color, and this is the special bonus gift that comes with it. So yeah, I'm gonna leave all the information down below, but thank you guys so much for being here and unbagging this with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!